Hi, I'm Kobi from Structura Remodeling, and we are here in Ladera Heights visiting a repeat customer. Follow me, let's look at the new bathroom. Here we are in Ladera Heights. We actually did a previous project for them. This bathroom is one of my favorite. There's a lot of cool details, features, finishes. A lot of thinking went into this bathroom. Before there was a tub, and here there was just a wall that separates the tub. And then there was another wall. This wall would have gone all the way from floor to ceiling. So what we did, we opened it up but still kept the privacy. The customer liked that. All the details, if you can see, this quartz countertop we created together with the backsplash here. We have this beautiful detail here. You can see cut 45 and then a waterfall detail. Tile on both sides of the pony wall, same thing here. Here we have a cool feature that we like to do. We have from the same stone that we used in different areas of the shower. We use that. We have this nice, very nice warmth. You can see the color of the light. In this area here, we have like a sitting area and additional storage that the customer really needed. Let's have the homeowner join us and see what she likes. Belinda,
yeah,
great to see you again.
Likewise.
How do you like the end result?
It's actually quite amazing compared to what it came from, because we're talking about 1960s style materials, and you really helped me to see what we could do, what was possible.
It is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
And we always appreciate when customer call us back to do more work. This is actually the best compliment that we can have.
My husband and I hopped on a gold mine with Structura. It's been an amazing experience, in all honesty, with the seamless communication. But I'm grateful for your participation in this and for helping us out.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.